Siphinde sinibingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke oqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini subscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Sibika sika-K ehholo kaMgaga lapho bekuqhubeka khona inkonzo yomngcwabo kaManoshi obehlala kaJay eMlazi. Wena-ke okwakho nje ukuthi ubuke lamavidiyo alandelayo ukuze ubone ukuthi yini le ebiyenzeka.
Amandla FIFA mkhonto wasizwe FIFA MK FIFA long live and despicable of Comrade Manosha, long live Amandla Ibna mkhonto wasizwe Ibna Amandla no umuntu anibingelele kwenu usiphethe bakaMsomi okuyingane nje yala ekhaya ke kaKhay kaJay kaL uManoshe ubefana nobhuti kumina and akukho okuningi engizokuchaza ngoManoshe ngimbonile
Shell, kufika British Petroleum or BP or Exxon Mobil. Bawuthatha unjalo ungahluziwe. Bahambe bowuhluza wona. Bajike futhi basidayisele wona back as fuel. It doesn't make sense. Aliko Dangote wafaka billions of his own money. Today, as we speak, the useless, corrupt Nigerian leaders are conniving with big oil imperialists or Total, no Shell. Uguti, he collapsed noma bamphuce refinery. He's already producing oil now, converting oil into fuel, into diesel, into petrol, and all these other things. So why? Because ukucabanga no behavior kwabantu is still controlled by abacindezi. And I'm saying to you, if you are going to allow people who are not MK to influence your own thinking and behavior, people who are enemies of this revolution, you are going to collapse your own organization, which is the only hope now. Khumalo is being used by ANC, Nabelungu, by the way, because this is the threat now. Now 1.6 billion, uthatheni. That was an attempt to capture MK. Yes. Because our conditions are now 1.6 billion. Ayakhona. Anizukuthatha umhlaba, amabheki, anizuku-establisha amabheki, anizuku-nationalize ini. That was an attempted capture. But bashaya iflop abelungu. Ba realize later, senze iflop ukuthi lawa sibabize as a collective. Ngoba phela bazosabana ukuthi. Then quickly after that they went one by one. And then abantu were more comfortable with I know we can work. So do not be used to collapse a revolution. Because if we fail now, the MK infiltrator successfully, igcine ilwa yodwa, kubanga izinto engekho ngoba kukhona sebenikwa imali benikwa iANC, benikwa imali leyo mali by the way iANC ithatha kubelungu. Ngoba kuthiwa nanti izonihamba. Bayibona hambile. Njoba iMK yenze kahle kanje. Bevele berigile. This election was rigged, we know it. But even under rigging conditions, look how well MK did, particularly here, KwaZulu-Natal. So they are very afraid. Imperialism is very afraid. And foot soldiers of imperialism, the ANC, is also very afraid. Because our interests interest you can't separate them. If you attack Abelungu, you by extension you are attacking ANC. That's how much they've been captured. That's how much they've been corrupted. So into our Iganji, we should not allow abantu esibazi ukuthi abasifiseli into eyodwa enhle njengabantu abamnyama. Ayikho into enhle abayifisayo njengabantu abamnyama for us. The last 7 years of Ramaphosa have shown us it doesn't care. Uthe ngena kwaphela inyanga eBE kwathiwa abelungu sebengathola ama-contract amakhulu without BE